don't have the tablet one.
I do, but I don't know.
Okay.
Pwede naman naiintindihan.
Hindi, ita-translate naman eh.
We're recording now. Go ahead.
Nice. O mga po. Sabihin niya.
Uncle Sam wants to hear about her going to school.
Kami, ang bahay namin, noong kami maliit pa. Wala kaming neighbor.
Oh.
Malayong malayo ang aming mga neighbor.
That's actually
Tapos,
Bunny's drill.
aming kinukuhanan ng tubig.
You listen.
Yung kinukuhanan ng
I put
tubig,
it in the bodega.
ubod ng layo din, malalim. Nilalagay namin sa yung bamboo. Doon nilalagay, pasampasan sa balikat para makapag-uwi ng tubig. Tapos, kami kung paliguan, 1 week, one time 1 week,
No, one time, 1 week, nanay
one
takes a
time
bath.
1 week, take a bath, and one time 1 week, change dress.
See?
No water to wash the dress, no water to...
See? Because there's no water.
So where do you wash your
Pag
clothes?
uhugas ka ng bigas,
Wash
pag
the
pinahugasan ng bigas, hindi mo itatapon, lalagay mo sa planggana, pagkatapos mong kumain, kung kanainan mo doon mo hugasan sa pinahugasan ng bigas.
you wash. They say you wash the rice. Don't throw away the water.
Kakainin
Wash the
siya.
dishes in there.
Tapos, malaki na ako, mga 1 year old na ako.
Oh. You stay here. Nanay's telling the story.
1 year old na ako. Yung nanay ko, para nakakuha ng pera, nangunguha ng guava,
Her mom
Tamarind.
bought some guava and tamarind.
para
To make money.
idala sa palengke.
Bring it to the market and nanay
Yeah.
to make money.
Para
Big fruits to
idala
sell
sa
to the market.
palengke. Ititinda para siya magkapera.
Yeah, so to
Ako,
make money.
iniwanan lang ako sa bahay. Wala nagbabantay.
Oo.
Natalian lang ako dito.
Nay, how old are you?
Tinatalian ako sa paa. Tinatali ako sa haligi.
Nay, how old were you?
Ha?
How old were you?
1 year old.
1 year old.
So
She
then-
stayed by herself in
Natali
the
ako
house.
dito sa paa. Tatali ako sa haligi.
Yeah,
Iwanan lang.
right to the post.
Iwanan lang ako sa loob ng bahay.
Yeah, live inside the house.
Iwanan
And
lang
then
ako
Nobody
sa loob ng
babysit her.
bahay.
She was 1 year
Para
old.
yung
Because her parents has to make money.
pagbibili niya yung yung guava, tamarin. Tapos, ibibili ng mga oil o soap o
sugar.
asin o ano. Yun, ibibili naman noon. Bawang,
So here is
luya, yun, bibili yan.
all the bills over there.
Bibili rin ng isda. Ganyan kahirap ang buhay namin.
So that's how hard it is.
7 years old na ako.
That's your
Yung may mother and my father, nag-away, nag-separate.
They were separated.
Ngayon, iniwanan ako ng mother ko sa father ko.
She was left by herself.
7 years lang ako.
She was so her mom
Ginagawa
ran away.
naman ng father ko. Kasama ako sa pagtanim ng mga halaman. Yung mga talong, mga sili, mga para pag yun ay napipitasan namin, merong ibebenta para magkapera. Ngayon, sabi ko, gusto kong pumasok. Ayaw akong papasukin.
She
Sabi
didn't go
sa
to
akin,
Yeah.
sabi sa akin, marunong daw at hindi marunong, nabubuhay naman. Kaya huwag na lang daw akong pumasok.
Even though you're not, you don't know anything
Kaya,
and you know
hindi.
things, you don't need to go to school.
Hindi ako I have no school. I have no school. I have no study in school.
No school.
She learned to read and write herself.